Yes, Jio Hotstar, right? Yeah, no problem. Okay, guys, so let's talk about the agenda for our today's session. So the agenda for today's session is going for our this week is going to be, first of all, as always, part number one, the challenge which we will be creating in our Wednesday session, along with the pre-quiz. Then part number two includes NumPy introduction. So yes, we are going to start with NumPy today. So introduction we will do in part number two. In part number three, we will be learning about NumPy array creation and the operations, 1D and 2D array. For tomorrow's session, NumPy array indexing and slicing, along with NumPy shape and reshape. And for the last session, that will be on Wednesday, that will be the challenge along with the post quiz and the review and the final recap. So this is going to be the agenda for this week. Now, let's start. So guys, here comes AI tool of the week. And this time, our AI tool of the week is DeepSeek. So anyone over here knows about DeepSeek? Ever used DeepSeek before? Anyone knows about DeepSeek? Ever used it? Ever heard of it? Because I guess multiple of you might have heard of it. It is very, very famous. Mostly using, yeah, I guessed it. That's great, Vivek. Yeah, it is a pro. Let me just show you guys. Also, this is a link. Just click on it. So you guys will get redirected here. So it is asking me to log in. So what I will do, I will just log in with Google. Give it a sec. It is going to verify if you are human or not. It is verified, I guess. It will just ask me yes. Continue. And here is the DeepSeek. Now over here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say, hi, can you help me in my Python coding? My Python coding regarding NumPy. So it is loading and you will get the answer. It is just like ChatGPT, I would say. Share a code that isn't working, and it will just give me basic array operations as well, which we are going to learn in our today's session too. Or in the last session, what we have done, we were learning about the oops, right? So can you create a class and use NumPy in it? Thinking, absolutely. See, it can do anything you will ask. So this is how DeepSeek can help you guys during your coding. Whenever you guys will face any kind of. So everyone over here clear with DeepSeek? Everyone over here clear with DeepSeek? Can I get a quick response from each and every one of you? Everyone is clear with DeepSeek? Yes, this is. Because I haven't told DeepSeek that what level I want. So it is giving me the pro level only in your language. Pro max stuff. Okay? Okay, so I'm getting the responses. Everyone is clear? Okay, so let's just say bye-bye to our DeepSeek for now and we will meet it again in our Wednesday session. Okay, everyone. So that was our AI tool of the week. Now, guys, what we are going to do now, just give me a sec. Yes. Now, guys, what we are going to do, now we are going to learn about our part number one. So in part number one, what is going to be there? First of all, the challenge, math challenge game, and after that, pre. So let me just show you guys a math challenge game first, and then I will give you the pre-quiz link. That is the math challenge. Let me just run it for you guys. So now it is run. Now just see the output. Let me just make it a little clear. Everyone is able to see the output clearly? Can I get a quick response? Everyone is able to see the output clearly? Great. So guys, here what is happening in this math challenge game? It is performance test using Numpy. So puzzle number 1 is sum of a large array. Sum of a large array. And what answer I am getting? I am getting this answer. And this is how much time my compiler is taking to give me the answer. This is how much time my compiler is taking to give me the answer. And then subtraction of two large arrays. After subtracting, this is what I am getting as my answer. This is the array after subtracting 2. This is the new array which I am getting. And this is the time it is taking to give me the answer for this particular part. Similarly, multiplication of two large arrays. And it is giving me this answer after multiplying two arrays. And this is the time it is taking. And now, guys, if you guys want to take a screenshot of this, you guys can take a screenshot of this also. And because I'm going to run it again because I want to show you guys. Or just remember what are the values for any 2 or 3 things so that you guys can compare after I will run it again. Now guys, I have run that again. If you guys will see now, the timings have changed. The timings have changed. Did you guys notice? Timings have changed. Did you guys notice that? Tell me at least yes or no, guys. Yes, right? So what is happening? So what is happening? It depends upon the compiler, how much time it is going to take. And according to that, only you will get the time. Yes, yes, yes. So this is what this and this thing is very easy. This trick is very, very easy. You guys will say, ma'am, this much easy trick for this complicated thing. That is very, very easy. You guys will learn it. So guys, this is going to be the challenge for this week. So are you guys ready now? Are you guys excited for our today's session now? Tell me, are you guys excited? Great. So now let me just close it. We will create it again. We will create it in the last session. And now guys, it's time for your pre-quiz. Let me just send you guys your pre-quiz link. Guys, I've sent you the pre-quiz link. Did you all received it? Did you all received it? I have sent you all the pre-quiz link. Got it? Great. So guys, now what is the time? 8:17. Take your time. Take your time. Please complete your pre-quiz and let me know the marks in the chat box. Complete it and let me know the marks. Yeah, that is what I was thinking, thinking, Vivek. AI companion. Oh, AI companion doing soup. I am thinking, what loom are you talking about? That is just a companion that depends what you want to do with the help of it. It also acts like Gemini and all only. Sometimes it helps you that what you want to do. Like it can redirect you if you want to record the session. Okay, this is the steps how to record it. These kind of things only AI companion helps us to do. Okay, everyone, please complete your pre-quiz. No, no, I was not speaking. So Pradeep, just give me a second. I'm sending the pre-quiz link again. Okay. Thank you so much, Sudha. Sudha only sent the pre-quiz link. Thank you, Sudha. John, please complete it and then we will move forward. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
last week questions I tried to do it that oops, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
And for defining the first parent is very easy and I can do it. But the rest of the
Mm-hmm.
child is really confusing and I couldn't do it. But I get it the help from AI. But main thing is after
Hmm.
getting the AI I can understand it, but I couldn't write it on myself in the first place.
That is not an issue. That so with practice only you will be able to do.
Yeah, actually, there is a one question there for the washing machine to set on and to off at one time, and that definitely I couldn't do it. I tried so many times of thinking, but I couldn't do that one. But I got
अरे
a help
मैंने
from
भी
AI,
अभी
and
ये
then I got
किया.
it. I got it from my
And
AI and then I got it, but I don't know how I have to think on myself and do it.
no problem, Sudha. And if you're getting any kind of problem now, before AI also, you can just send us in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay.
nowadays, so I was not that much active on WhatsApp. Now, because you guys are getting so many issues in the WhatsApp group now, so I, along with Haida, I will also try my best to be as much active as possible, so that I can also help you guys along with your doubts.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Right now, the only Zaida is taking that, so I will also try my best to take the doubts from now on in the WhatsApp group. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
don't worry
Okay.
about that. Yes. John, are you done with your pre-quiz? John, are you done with your pre-quiz? You're doing? Just let me know once done, and then only I will move forward because I don't want anyone to be left behind. Very good, John. Very good. Okay, then, guys. So now is everyone done with your pre-quizzes? So now we will move forward. Now we will start with our part number 2. Very good, Sneha. I look at the notebook plus understand line by line. I try to. Yes, yes, you're correct, Saswat. So that do read what Saswat has written in the chat. Do read it, okay? And now, guys, we are going to move with our part number 2. That is going to be NumPy introduction. So in this, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about NumPy introduction, installation and setup, import NumPy as NP. So first of all, we are going to start with what is NumPy. So guys, NumPy na, what is it? It is a Python library. It is a Python library. Now you guys will ask me, what is Python library? Okay, everyone knows what library is. Simple term. The term library, everyone knows now. Everyone knows what library is in the real world. Yes, basically an encyclopedia. Yes, a library is an institution. You guys can say a building in which दुनिया भर की किताबें होती है जहाँ पे, right? In which there are the books from all over the world. Collection of books. Collection of books. So Python library is just the same. Python library is just the same. Okay. If you guys remember, in our previous sessions, now we were learning about module. We talked about module. Do you guys remember module? What is module? Do you guys remember? What is module? What is module? Can anyone repeat? Can anyone repeat in the session? What is module? Okay, unit. Collection of, okay, okay. Okay, guys, so I'm giving you guys one hierarchy. So first of all, this is the hierarchy of what? Python. First of all, library comes. Library is where everything is stored. Library is like a big building. Inside what? There are modules. Now modules now in Python there are two types of modules. One modules which are under library. Yeah, एक second. under library. And second type of modules are independent modules which do not come inside any library. Independent. Okay. So library is like a big institution. Inside that there will be modules. Modules are of two types. They can be inside library also, and they can be without library also. They can be on their own as well. And under module there are functions. Under modules there are functions. The predefined functions of Python. The predefined functions of Python. Yes, module is like a subset of library. Achha, do you guys remember random module? Do you guys remember random module? Random module. So random module now, what we were doing, we were importing it just like that. Import random only we were doing, right? We were importing it like import random. So what happens? You guys can take any kind of module like with the help of import. But that random module now, that it is present under NumPy. Random module, NumPy is a library. NumPy is a library. Inside that, random module is there. And inside that, the functions of random module, like rand, int, rand, range, all of this comes. So this is the hierarchy in Python. First library, inside that there will be module. Inside module, there will be predefined functions. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Everyone? You can say like that. Or in simple words, as a collection of modules. Collection of modules in a single place is known as library. Module is a single file. Module is a single file. Library is collection of those files. Now is everyone clear? Because it depends. Sometimes under a library there can be only one module also. So that depends. So encapsulation word, I don't think so. It will be that much appropriate for that because they are not encapsulated. I can call the random module without NumPy as well. It is not like I'm hiding it. I can call it without NumPy as well, but it is the part of NumPy. Okay, Saswat. I hope you got the I hope you got my point. Yes, yes. So guys, NumPy is a Python library and it is used for what? Working with arrays and mathematical operations. So what is array? What is array? I guess some of you might know about arrays if you guys are from the computer background because arrays is like the most basic concept. Most basic concept. Yes, collection of elements. Collection of elements. But where? It starts from index 0, not with index 0. Starts with index 0. So, yes. It is a collection of what? Same kind of elements. It is a collection of same kind of elements, not only elements, same kind of elements. In a heterogeneous, in what? Heterogeneous memory space. In the same memory space, it means. Not in a, sorry, not heterogeneous, wrong word I use, homogeneous. Homogeneous means same kind. Like that, 0. If it is integer, everything will be integer. Homogeneous, same kind. Same kind. Okay, Saswat? Yes, ABCD. You're correct, Soumya. Got it? And NumPy is short for numerical Python. NumPy is short for numerical Python. Now, why use NumPy? Because in Python we have lists, but they are slow for processing large amount of data. So, Pradeep, if you will remember last time in Wednesday session, you were asking me about some screenshot where there was array. I told you list is different, arrays are different. Although sometimes they use the same function, right? So yes, I agree. I agree. Both are kind of same, but lists they are very slow for processing large amount of data. And NumPy provides us array, which are known as ND array. ND means n dimensional, number of dimensions that are up to 50 times faster than list. List can be only one dimension. Arrays I can make multiple dimensions. 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, up to 100D I can create. And it comes with many built-in functions, which makes it easy to work with data. I don't have to do anything from scratch. Just put a function name and your work is done. We will talk about it, Sir. Just we will understand it with codes. What is 2D array and all. I will let you know. Okay. Right now, just listen to me. That what is NumPy? Why are we preferring it over list? Because same kind of thing it is also going to do. Then why not list? Why NumPy? That is what. Just understand this point first. Now, arrays are essential in data science, where speed and efficiency are crucial. You all are here. You all are interested in data science, right? That is why you guys have opted this Python. So lists are slow. That is why we have to use NumPy because it is very fast. And in data science, one of the main concepts is data analysis, which needs speed. Which needs speed. For that, we need NumPy. Don't worry, array is a very simple topic. I will let you guys know each and everything. Don't worry about that. And if you are still getting confused between the arrays now, Saswat, are you familiar with graphs? Guys, are you familiar with the graphs? Are you familiar with the graphs? Graph. Yes, right? Do you remember this graph in which we are having x-axis and y-axis? So what is it? It is a 2D graph. It is a 2D graph. It is 2D. A table in which I am having one row, one column. What is it? It is 2D. It is 2D. Okay? Got it? Now, guys, here comes what is data science. Now, data science, guys, it is the study of storing, using, and analyzing data to gain useful information. Data science is a study of storing, using, and analyzing data to gain the useful information. And anyone over here have any idea about C or C++ language? C language, basically, not C++ also. C language. Anyone having any idea about C language? Alil? No? No problem. C is also a language only. I would say one of the traditional language of computer. Traditional language of computer, one of the oldest language. Yes, oldest. So NumPy num, it is written inside C. NumPy library or NumPy library codes are written inside C language. So that is why now this makes us very, very fast, because C now it is a very low level programming language. And this is low level, it is not having much functions and all. It is not having multiple functions and all. Now. So what happens? It makes the compile time very, very faster for now. It makes the compile time faster for a low level programming language because NumPy is written inside. And that is how it is becoming 50 times faster than list. Yeah, I agree, Saswar. I'm just telling you guys that it is written inside C language. I'm not telling that we are going to learn C language. We are going to learn Python only. Just the fact that NumPy is written inside C. And Python part of NumPy is just for making it easy to use. While the heavy calculations are already done in C. They're already done. Yeah, I agree with you, Saswat. So just tell me, are you guys clear till this point? Is everyone clear till this point? Great.
So the numpy in the background is C, basically.
NumPy is written in C. Okay. Now, guys, now let's talk about the installation and setup. Now, to start using NumPy, you need to install it. To start using NumPy, you need to install it. Yes, yes. No, the code of NumPy is not like C. I'm telling you, the NumPy library is written inside C, which is making easier for us to write it down in Python. Yes. So, guys, whatever, not only NumPy, whatever library you want to install. Yes, yes, Aswat. Whatever you want to install inside your Google Colab in Python, you have to use pip. You have to use pip. Now you guys will ask me, ma'am, what is pip? So guys, pip now, it is nothing. It is the Python package installer. It is the package installer for Python. Now pip is a tool which in Python that helps you download and install the packages or libraries from the internet. You can think of it as a package manager that makes it easy to add extra functionality to your Python programs. Yes, you can say like that, Sudha. Yes, yes. No, no, in any compiler, like if you're using Visual Code with Jupyter extension, there also you can use it. Yes, yes. Everywhere, wherever you're using it with this thing, you can use it. So how you're going to do it? Just put an exclamation mark first. This is a trick. Just put an exclamation mark first. Put pip. Put the command install. And one more space, the name of the library. The name of the library which I need right now is NumPy. And just put shift plus enter and it will start getting installed. And for now, because it is already installed in my environment, I am getting the answer as requirement already exists. That means NumPy is already present in my environment. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Great. Now, guys, how you are going to import NumPy after that? Just use NumPy in your Python code, you need to import it. Now, everyone remember how we used to import random module? Everyone remember how we used to import random module? How we used to do it? We used to just put import. Import is important. If you want to import anything, if it is a package module, you have to put import. I want to import NumPy, just put num. Shift plus enter. Done. Now it is imported. Now I can use NumPy. But what I am going to do, I'm going to give NumPy a nickname. I'm going to give NumPy a nickname instead of typing NumPy every time. Because if right now, if I have to do it like that, if you guys remember when we were using random import random, I have to use random dot rand int. Like that, I have to do it, na? Like this, I was able to use the function which was inside the random module, right? So random every time. So to make it easier, I can just give it a nickname, the alias name, alias, pseudonym, you guys can say, a nickname. So I can, it depends upon you. Any name you guys can give. NP is just a staple name you guys can say, which most of us guys use. So if you guys want to use NP, well and good. If you guys want to give it any other name, that depends upon you. But the same name which you're going to give over here, that same name only you're going to use it in your entire code afterwards. Just remember this. So now I'm going to do import numpy as NP. Clear everyone? Clear till this point? Clear everyone? And guys, with that, our part number 1 is also completed. If there is any doubts in the part number 1, do let me know. Any problems, any doubts in part number 1, guys? Please let me know. Otherwise, we will start the part number 3.
So instead of writing NumPy, we can write import NP, right?
No, we can just use NP everywhere in the code now. Import NumPy is important.
Okay, we have to define this line.
NumPy is important. Yes, you have
Oh,
to define this line. Now you can use NP instead of NumPy everywhere.
okay, got it. So we can use in, okay, fine.
One by one, please. Nitesh, you complete first.
So we have to use,
Nitesh,
we can give shortcut NP or we can give any word.
any word. But be aware, whatever name you will give over there, that only you have to use in your entire code afterwards.
Okay, fine, got it.
So this is a staple name. That is what I use. Now
Okay,
depends upon you, whatever you guys want to use.
okay.
Okay? Yeah. Yes, similar. But in VS Code, you will be needing the Jupyter extension. Okay? Extension you have to know. Yes, Sudha.
Ma'am, can you go a little up so that like how we have to install? Like I just try in a collab. So what we have to put? Oh, install
I'm
numpy. Okay, fine, ma'am. Fine.
I am sending this code also. I have sent the code. You can just copy paste. NP, yeah, you can say like that. The default name for NumPy which I have provided over here. Yeah, same method, Soumya. Pip is a Python package installer. If you want to install anything in Python, you have to use it. Okay, Ankita? Okay, Ankita? Great. Okay, guys, if there is no other doubt, should I start part number 3? Should I start part number 3? Okay, so 25 minutes more. We will study 25 minutes more till 9:15, and then I will give you guys your break. Okay? And guys, if you guys will feel like my speed is a bit fast, do let me know. Do let me know. My speed is okay now because the concepts were easy, so uh, I thought I just went with the flow. My speed is okay. Well past. Okay, then it's fine. Because now I'm realizing that I was a bit fast. Yeah, in PowerShell also you can. In PowerShell also you can. But I am just suggesting you, John, because we are using, I am showing you guys in the notebook now, IP by NP format I'm using. So you will be if you want to use the same now, you will be needing Jupyter extension in your VS Code. Okay? Yes. Okay. So let's start with our part number 3 now, guys. So in part number 3, NumPy array creation and operations 1D and 2D, what we are going to do, we are going to check NumPy installation, NumPy ND array object, attributes of NumPy array, NumPy creating arrays, generating random arrays in NumPy, and basic mathematical operations in NumPy. Basic mathematical operations in NumPy. And let me tell you guys, everything now we have already done. It is just like a little modification of how to use all of them inside NumPy now. It will be like a revision also for you guys for our previous concepts. So ready to dive in, everyone? Everyone, ready to dive in? Yes, yes, yes. Great. So first of all, though, we are going to check the NumPy installation. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. NumPy installation. So what we are going to do? Yes, yes, Sudha. In a more simpler way, actually. Checking NumPy installation. So if NumPy is installed, I just installed the NumPy in front of you guys, right? Now print np.version because what I'm doing, I am using NumPy as np. So now my NumPy's name is np. So I just have to check its version. So what it will do, it will just tell Python to display the version number of the installed NumPy library. Yes, guys, they also have their own versions. They also have their own version, which you guys can upgrade also later. Or you can just install it again and the latest version will get downloaded. How you are going to do it? Like this. Print np for NumPy dot double underscore version double underscore. If I will just do it, and it will show me which version of NumPy is available in my Google. And the version which is available is 2.0.2. Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear? Meenakshi, np dot which you are saying now, it is another function in NumPy. That also we will learn. That is, yes, this is a dot. This is a dot. This is double underscore. Double underscore. I thought you are talking about dot function. Dot also we will talk in our upcoming classes. Yeah. Yes, double underscore on both the ends of version. Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear with this? Great. Now, guys, let's talk about NumPy ND array object. Let's talk about NumPy ND array object. Now, what is an ND array object in NumPy? Now, an ND array, short for what? N-dimensional array, is the core data structure of NumPy. It is like a grid or table where you can store numbers or sometimes other types of data as well. Unlike the Python list, it is specifically designed for the faster calculations and can have one dimension like a list or multiple dimensions like a table, cubes, etc. Like a tables and cubes, etc. Now let's see how. Yes, yes, just the way me and Zulekha told you. Now you guys must be wondering, ma'am, what is dimensions, right? Just give me. What are dimensions in array? Now, guys, dimensions in arrays represent the level of organizations or layers of data. Okay, so dimensions now, guys, are like the number of features, number of layers. Okay, let's say hierarchies. Like, if only one teacher is handling all the students, if only one teacher is handling, then to zero dimension only, single number. Or in similar way, zero D array is like a single number, only one. There is nothing after this, there is nothing before this, up, above this, below this. Only a single number. That is zero dimension. That is zero dimension, just a single. After that, here comes one dimensional array. It is one layer. It is a layer. It is a list. It is a list of number, one dimensional. Or you can say this way, guys. The row goes na only one row. You can say like that, only one row. That is one dimension. After that, here comes 2D. It is like a table, matrix. Now, what it is having? It is having 2 rows and 3 columns. Now, it became 2D. It became 2D. Yes, you can think like that. And after that, if I will talk about a 3D array, 3D array. So it will be like 1, 2, 4, 5. That is the 2D array. Then one more array will be there. That will be kind of 3D. I will show you guys with the help of practical. Practical, I will show you guys that how it will look like. But now, right now, just let me know, are you guys clear with the concept? Just let me know, are you guys clear with the concept? I will show you how it looks like in the code. Great. Great. Yes, yes, only one element. Let me show you guys the example. Now, only one only I want now. So I am just taking a name as scalar. Scalar means only one. I'm explaining that only, Meenakshi. Zero means a single number. So what I'm going to do, NP. Dot function name I'm going to use array because I'm working on arrays. Parenthesis because it is a function. Only one number, put a one. Print scalar. I'm getting my answer. But how will I get to know how many dimensions are there? How will I get to know the dimensions? For that, we are having an attribute, ndim attribute, which means number of dimensions. Dimensions in array. And you can use it only inside NumPy. So print, what is the name? Scalar dot ndim. Shift plus enter. What answer I'm getting? 0. That means 0 dimension is there in this scalar. 0 dimensions are there because it is just a single number. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Ndim is an attribute of NumPy which stands for number of dimensions. which stands for number of dimensions in that particular array. Okay, Soumya? Great. Now let's talk about one-dimensional array. Now, guys, there will be now in arrays there is a very interesting concept: brackets, square brackets. How many square the number of square brackets will be there? Na? The number of dimensions are there in that array. That is the trick. That is the trick. Now, a 1D array has one bracket surrounding all its elements. Now, let me show you how. I'm just taking the name as A is equals to np dot array. Parenthesis is important because it is going to be inside a function. Now, 1D array I want to create. 1D array I want to create. So, what I will do, I will just put one square bracket. Inside that, just put any number. Any list of number, but homogeneous. Now, print A and do the same thing and them, and you will get to know the dimensions. One dimension. Why? Because it is having one square bracket which is defining the dimension in my array. And as I told you, number of brackets, that number of dimensions. Let me show you guys that. I'm just going to add one more bracket. And now going to do this again. Give me a second because I didn't run that still. Yeah. Now what answer I'm getting? 2. Because how many brackets are there? 2 square brackets. That means now it is a 2D array. One square bracket here means one dimension. 2 square bracket means 2 dimension, and up to so on. And up to so on. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, when we are going to print, it is going to print whatever it is there inside the parenthesis.
Yes. There is no pure and all, Saswat. I have told you guys the simplest concept. Number of the number of dimension now that depends upon number of brackets. Number of dimension depends upon number of brackets. One square bracket, one dimension. 2 square bracket, 2 dimension. 3 square brackets, 3 dimensions. That is what I'm telling. Row and column concept, I'm coming on that also, Pradeep. Just now, I'm just telling you guys about the dimension. How dimension part is working. That also I will let you know. Is everyone clear till this point now? Is everyone clear till this point now? No problem, that happens. New concepts, no? Should I move forward? Should I tell you guys about the rows and column now? Should I continue with rows and columns? Great. 2D array only I will do again. But here now I'm going to create one menu. I'm going to do np.array. I'm going to create 2-dimension array. So I will be needing 2. Okay. But now here I want to create rows and columns also. So what I will be doing? 1, 2. This is my first row. This is my first row. Inside an array, I'm going to create 2 arrays. This is my first row. This will act like what happened? Yeah. And then I will put a comma after this bracket. I will put one more. 3, 4. Now, if you guys will see, this is a 2D array only. Why? Because in starting there are 2 square brackets and ending there are 2 square brackets. And inside one common square bracket, there are two things. That is also a 1D array, that is also a 1D array. But this is my first row and this is my second row. So how will it look like? Let me show you guys after it gets printed. Menu. First row, second row. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys, what I have done? How I created rows and columns? Everyone clear? Everyone clear? I'm asking something. Now let's create 3D. Let's create a 3D array then. So with 3D array, what I will do, I'm just taking A again. np.array. Can anyone tell me how many brackets I will be needing for 3D? How
Three
many square
brackets.
brackets? Yes.
Inside the parenthesis, 3 square brackets.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I will be needing 3 brackets. So what I will be doing? Now I will be creating a 2D array pairs. I will be creating a 2D array pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you guys will see, एक second now. I did a mistake. Give me a sec. Give me a second, guys. I did a mistake. I forgot to put the parentheses. Brackets. 1, 2, one more, 3, 4. This one 2D array I have created. One 2D array I have created inside one big one. Comma. Again, what a 2D array? 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, after this 2D, again create one more 2D array. Now run this. How will it look like? Let me show you guys the look of it. See. First 2D array, second 2D array, third 2D array. Two 2D arrays together are creating this 3D array over there. Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear that how I created this 3D array? Everyone is clear? I'm asking something.
Ma'am, so we are putting the
Sorry?
3 square
Yes, Sudha?
brackets, right? First 2 brackets has to be empty. And inside that third bracket only, we have to put all the rows and everything.
Yeah.
Right? That means the first
Here
two.
what
No.
I'm doing now. Here what I'm doing. Let me just add this also over there. Creating 3D with 2D arrays. Okay? Now it will not confuse you. Because I'm only using 2D arrays for creating the 3D. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's create one more 3D. First of all, let me just show you guys the endem also over there. Print a.endem. 3. 3 square brackets in the starting and the ending. Now let's create one more. Creating a 3D array with 2 layers Because guys, here if you will see, it is having 3 layers. First layer, second layer, third layer. Now I only want 2 layers. With how many rows and how many columns? I want 3 rows and 4 columns. How will I do it? np.array 1, 2, 3. Only 2 layers? Only 2 layers? Matlab only two 2D arrays I'm going to create. And I want 3 rows and 4 columns. That means inside one 2D array, I will be putting 3 1D arrays with 4 elements each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm gonna just look over here. In this 3D array, what is happening? First layer, second layer, third layer. That means it is having 3 layers. How many rows are there in each? 2 rows, 2 rows, and 2 columns each. So this is this array looks like this. 3 layers, 2 rows, 2 columns. This is how it looks like. And now I'm just modifying it. I want to create a 3D array with 2 layers. That means only 2 things. Till there only I want to create. But in rows, I want 3 rows. There are only 2 rows. I want 3 in total and 4 columns in total. So what I will be doing, I will be just creating 2 2D arrays. I will be just creating 2 2D arrays. That means 2 layers of my 3D. And inside each 2D array, I will be creating 3 1D arrays because each 1D array is a row. And inside each 1D array, I will be putting 4 elements which will act like the columns. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Just give me a second. Let me just show you guys again. First, let me just complete it, okay? Now just print R. Just print and look at this. Guys, what I am writing over here, 2 layers. Is it having 2 layers? 3 rows. Yes, each one is having 3 rows. 4 columns. Yes, each one is having 4 columns. So what I did? 2 layers mean 2 2D arrays. 2 2D arrays. Two 2D arrays. Now 3 rows. Inside each 2D array, 3 1D arrays. Then 4 columns with 4 elements each. 1D array with the 4 elements each. Now is it clear, guys? Now is it clear, guys? I have decoded it. Ankita, Saswat. Great. Ankita? Most welcome. Okay, then tell me. Now our creation of arrays is also done. Now tell me everyone is clear till this point, then I can give you guys a break then. That depends upon you how you want to create it. Just that the element number should be same. Okay. So guys, what we have done till now in part number one, so I just showed you guys a challenge and you guys did the prequel. After that, in part number two, we talk what is NumPy, how it is important, how it is faster than the list, how to install it, how to import it, how to give it a nickname. Then in part number three, we started with the core concept that what is an array, how to create it, and how to create 1D, 2D, 3D array till now. Any doubts, please let me know. Yes, Zulekha. Yes, Zulekha. Okay, tell me guys, any doubts, please let me know. No problem, Zulekha. No problem, Zulekha. Any doubts till now, please let me know so that I can give you guys a break also. All clear till now? This thing. So I wanted to do 2 layers, 3 rows, and 4 columns. It is having 2 layers. That means two 2D arrays, two 2D arrays. I want 3 rows. That means three 1D arrays in each 2D. I want 4 columns. Each 1D will be having 4 elements. Row, column. Okay, Meenakshi? I'm giving it name as Arna, so I'm giving it as R over there. Okay, so the name is R for this, the variable. Okay. Yeah, I'm giving you guys the break. It is 9:20 till 9:25. You guys can have the break. At exact 9:26, we are going to start again. Yes, yes, you can. Okay, Sudha? Okay, guys, so now I'm giving you guys a break at, yes, Meenakshi. You, I have just answered now. Row, column. These are all the rows. And this is the column. Rows goes like this, column goes like this. Okay, great. Okay, guys, so now you guys can have your break. At 9:26, I'm going to start again. Okay, everyone, breaks over. Is everyone here? Everyone, breaks over. Not gone? Okay, Vivek, great. Okay, everyone, so now let's start with our other concepts. Great. Okay, everyone, so now we are going to start with the attributes of NumPy array. So one attribute I have just told you. Can anyone let me know which attribute we have discussed till now? Which attribute we have discussed till now? Which attribute we have discussed till now? Tell me the name of that attribute, guys. Endim, guys. Endim. Endim is an attribute. We have discussed it now. Endim. Yes, yes. So NumPy arrays now they have several important attributes. That means the properties, which provides the useful information about the array's properties, such as its shape, size, data type, and many. So let's do them one by one. I will be just creating one array for you guys, and then we will do it. Just give me a second. Let me just create the array, and then you guys can also let me know what I have done. Okay. How many dimensions are there? How many dimensions are there in this array?
Two.
Are you sure? How many dimensions? How many dimensions are there? Are you guys sure?
Two,
Two
ma'am.
dimensions are only there. How many brackets are there? How many brackets are there in the starting and the end?
Two.
Three brackets, three square brackets, 3D array is there. That will be a dot endim. How much? What answer I will be getting? I will be getting the answer as 3. I will be getting the answer as 3. 3D array. Okay. Now, guys, after that, I am having shape attribute. Now, in shape attribute, it is going to tell me because I am going to do it on 3D array for 3D. It will give me the answer like this: layer, rows, columns. So now tell me what can be the answer. How many layers, how many rows, how many columns? Can anyone let me know what will be the answer? My answer will be 2, 2, 2 because 2 layers, 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 layers, 2 rows and 2 columns. Is it clear? And guys, if I am having 1D array only, if I am having 1D array, just suppose in shape only, let me show you guys some examples now. What I'm getting answer? Saswat, Saswat, I told you na, layers, rows and columns. That is what? 2 layers, 2 rows, 2 columns. That is what I'm getting as answer. That is what I'm getting as answer over there. Okay, Saswat?
Ma'am, I see there is three, square bracket. That means three layers, right?
That means three dimension, not three layers. Inside that only 2D arrays are there. That means only two layers are there. That is what I have mentioned over there, guys. Just now, we have done the example that I told, and I asked you guys multiple times. Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts?
Two.
To see this
Okay.
example again, everyone. To see this example again. Just now we have done this example. This you got clear now? Then what is the issue in that? Two layers are there, two rows are there in each, and two columns are there. That is what I'm getting as answer for the shift. Okay, is it clear now, guys? Now is it clear? Did you got clear now? Great. And now I have done only 1D array over here. In 1D array, what I'm getting? I'm getting number of elements present, comma. That means only one dimension is there. And now if I will just make it same thing only I'm going to do. But one more bracket I'm going to mention. Now what I will get as answer? 1, 3. That one row is there, three columns are there. One row, three columns. So for 1D array, only one shape I will be getting. For 2D array, two things I will be getting. For 3D array, three, and up to so on. The layers of dimension in the shape will be getting increasing with the number of dimensions. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? I'm asking something. With number of dimension increasing, number of shape also will get increased. Now size will just return number of elements. In rows and columns, I guess you are getting confused. Acha, now guys tell me how many number of elements are there in my A. How many total number of elements are there in my A? How
Eight,
many total
eight,
number of
eight, eight,
elements?
eight, eight.
That is what my answer is. Size gives you number of elements. And if I will do it in B,
It's going to be 3.
yes. I forgot to just take by caps.
It is in uppercase.
Yeah, caps lock, I forgot. Yeah. Okay, got it? Now after that, I am having two more. Now we have D type. Will return data type of elements because it's homogeneous in nature. If I will do print a dot d type, what data type is present over there? What data type I'm using for the elements? What data type is it?
List.
Yes. Data type is what? No, integer. Integer. int 64. Integer data type I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4. These are numbers. These are integers.
So why it is given
Okay.
64? Why it is given 64? Integer 64.
64 is the size of integer.
Okay,
Integer
it
is
is
the size of 64 is the size of integer for Python.
okay.
Okay. Give me a second.
Ma'am, how it comes 64? You told, ma'am? 8 into
Now
3.
8 into 4. Actually 8 into 8 because 8 bytes. 8 bytes. 8 into 8 actually. 8 bytes. And each byte, one byte is having 8 bits. So 8 bytes, 8 into 8, 64. Got it? Got it, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Give me a second, guys. Let me just put the alarm because I can't go above 10 today. That's great that you have realized your mistake and now you're on the right track.
Ma'am, if it is going to be BD type, it is going to be 3 into 8, 24, right?
No, that will be 8. Integer size is 64 only for everyone. That is the size of integer, not this. Not the elements. That is the size of integer itself. Let me show. That will be same only. That is the size of integer. This is the attribute. D type is the attribute. Okay, Ankita? And guys, last thing which I'm having is transpose. Do anyone know what transpose is? Do anyone know what transpose is? Anyone? Any idea about transpose? Yes, rows to columns, columns to rows. Interchange. And how we do interchange over here? With the help of this. A dot capital T. Rows will become columns, column will become rows. Columns will become rows. Now tell me guys, these are the attributes. Tell me, is everyone clear with all of them or if there is any doubts? Tell me, any doubts till this? Any doubts, anyone? Are you still confused with rows and columns, Aswit? Are you still confused with rows and columns? Now you can differentiate. Okay, then great. Tell me, is everyone clear till this point? Because afterwards, no, the concept, I need everyone's attention. I don't think so I will be able to complete all the concepts today, but I will try my best. Yes, yes, that is true. That is true, John. So let's move forward. Let's move forward. Great. Okay, everyone. So now we are going to learn about some functions. So now I'm going to tell you guys about the arrange function in Python, arrange function of NumPy. Do you guys remember range function? Do you guys remember range function? Range. Similar function only. Similar function only. Let's say I want to arrange some seeds from the number 1 to 10. So I will be taking what? Seeds is equals to np dot arrange. I want to arrange it from 1 to 10. So starting I want to do from 1, but I want to end it at 10. So can anyone tell me what number should I take? Yes, very good, Samya. I will take 11.
11.
Because what? N minus 1. Same like range. Same like range. Start with 1, end at 11. End at 10, sorry. N minus 1. Just print it. And what answer I will be getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? And now what if I only want the even numbers? I only want the even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8. Can anyone tell me what should I put? Can anyone tell me what should I put? Only even numbers. Even numbers. I want to start from 2 and end at 10. I'm giving you guys a hint. Start with 2, end at 10.
So 3, 11, 12. 11, 2.
I want to start from 2, not 3. Very good, Krishna. 2, 11, 2. 2, 11, 2. Start from 2, end at 10 because n minus 1 and 2 difference. So what will be my answer? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Everyone got it? Everyone is clear with the range function?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, in this
Yes.
np dot range, and earlier we have studied random dot range, right? Both are
Hmm.
same. So what? So no, that means if we learn this, we don't require that.
No, it's not like that. A random dot range, if you will see, you will be getting only one number out of that range. And random dot range was not the function. Random dot rand range was the function. Range
Yeah.
does not comes under random. Range is another function. Range and arrange are very simple. I would say
Mm,
same only.
mm,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes, you are correct, Saswit. Now let me tell you guys more interesting functions of NumPy. After this, now guys, we are having what? Zeros function. I am having zeros function. Now I'm in zeros function. What is going to happen? Let's say scoreboard I'm creating. And I want an array of zeros only. All start at 0. So what I will do, I will just put the function name as zeros. I will put only 5 because if I only want only single line of 5, print scoreboard. What I'm getting? I'm getting a single line of 5. 5 zeros. I can make changes also. I can create an array of zeros. Like inside this parenthesis, na, I have to put the tuple. Like I want 3 rows of zeros and 5 columns of zeros. So 3, comma 5. That means, what does that mean? 3 rows, 5 columns. 3 rows, 5 columns of zeros. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Everyone is clear with zeros function? Similarly, guys, Similarly, guys, we have ones function. Now, instead of 0, you will get ones. Same thing only I'm going to do. Just instead of zeros, I will put ones. You will get all the ones. Here also, instead of 0, just put ones, you will get all the ones. Clear till this point, everyone? Clear till this point, everyone? Great. Very interesting now. So guys, now I am having a very interesting function. Please do listen to me carefully for that. I am having linspace for you guys. I am having linspace. First of all, let me show you guys what it do. And then I will tell you guys what is happening basically. I'm taking A is equals to np dot linspace function. Now, first of all, I need a starting. Okay. Tell me a number from which you guys want me to start. From which number? Come on, tell me, everyone. This is going to be very interesting. Let me take a random one only. Let's take 7. Let's take 7. And now give me a number where you want it to get ended. Where you want it to get ended. Okay, let's take a random choice from you guys. Let's take 20. 20. And now, how many total numbers you guys want? How many total numbers you guys want to get printed? Give me any random number. How many total numbers you guys want to get printed? 50. Let's take 50. So that 50 now starting, ending, inside only insert that 50. How many? So what is happening? Starting, how many, ending. This is how it goes. Now print A. Now print A. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I did a little mistake. In telling you guys. Okay. I'm so sorry. Starting, ending, how many? I did a little mistake in this point. Starting, ending, and how many? So here I have to do it 20 and 50. Yeah. So how many total numbers? There are total 50 numbers starting from 7, ending at 20, and all are having all with same difference. All with same difference. All with same difference, same interval in each. That is linspace. That is linspace. I hope I have made linspace clear. I hope I have made linspace clear. First one is not blank. It is starting from 7. It is not blank. It is just because it is default now. It is just giving the proper space to everyone. Same space to each and every number. Okay. Everyone is clear with linspace? Absolutely. Great. Okay, so guys, now so I will not be able to continue forward because right now I guess two concepts more are pending, generating and basic subtraction and all is pending till now. So I will not be able to cover all the concepts, but we will cover them tomorrow. Yeah, we can go for that tomorrow. But okay, do let me know if there is any doubts till this point. If there is any doubts till this point.
Ma'am, this 7 to 20 is a value, right? In between that, it is adding something else to give the 50 values.
Yes. It is
So
giving
any,
same interval. If you will see 7, 7.2, then 7.5. If you will subtract 7.53, this number from this number, you will get a difference value. And then just subtract this one to this. That will be same.
so that is going to be the same,
Yes.
homogeneous.
Yes. Yes, that is correct, Saswit. Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone? And it is clear. And guys, I'm not giving you guys the homework today. What we will do now, we will just add it tomorrow. And you guys can do the homework in your Monday, on Monday and Tuesday. Okay? And I can take the doubts on Wednesday then. Will that be okay? Because I haven't completed the concepts now. I will just add the homework in tomorrow's session. But for now, let me just give you guys a notebook. I haven't even give you guys a notebook today. Okay, I have sent you guys a notebook. I'm sending you guys a feedback form. Till then, tell me, are you guys enjoying Numpy? Are you guys enjoying Numpy? It's easier now. It's easier than before, no? Yeah, they are a little tricky. It was fun. Yeah, great. So where it is? Where is my feedback form? Give me a second. I'm sending you guys a feedback form. Okay. And so tomorrow, I guess you guys will have more fun because more and more concepts we are going to learn. Yeah, here it is. Easier than OCS. Okay, guys, I'll send you all the feedback form. Please fill this out and let me know once done. And let me stop sharing my screen as well. I have sent the feedback form, guys. Please fill this out and let me know. Thank you, Nitesh. And guys, I'm repeating myself again. If you guys like, please rate it as excellent. If no, please mention the exact reason why. Okay? Thank you, Aswin. Good night, Nitesh. Thank you, Rishu. Thank you, Subhradeep. Good night, Rishu. Good night, Sai. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you. Thank you, Zulekha. Thank you, Sudha. Good night, Zulekha. Thanks, Ishwarya. Good night, Sudha. Thanks, Jadeep. Good night. Thank you, John. Good night. See you tomorrow, Sudha. Thank you, Samya. Good night. Most welcome. Thank you, Navya. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Saswat. Good night. Okay, guys. So on that note, now I'm going to end the session and we will meet tomorrow. So bye, guys. Bye, everyone.